In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log into your HostGator cPanel and manage your scripts. Managing scripts through the cPanel is a skill that can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run, so let's dive into it step by step. First, to access your HostGator cPanel, you'll want to go to the HostGator website and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, look for the cPanel link in your dashboard. When you click it, you'll be directed to another login screen where you will enter your cPanel credentials. If you're unsure what these credentials are, they are usually sent to you in your welcome email from HostGator. Once you're past the login screen, you'll land on the cPanel homepage, and that's your control center for managing all aspects of your hosting account. Next, we want to open the File Manager. This is where you can access all the files associated with your website. From your cPanel homepage, you'll see the File Manager icon under the Files section. Go ahead and click on that. A new tab will open displaying the directories of your hosting account. File Manager serves as a simpler interface for accessing your files, similar to your computer's File Explorer. Now that you're in the File Manager, you will need to navigate to the specific directory where your scripts are stored. This could vary depending on your setup. Typically, your web files reside in the public HTML folder, but if you've created add-on domains or subdomains, they might be nestled in their own respective folders. Simply click into public HTML or the correct folder path to get to where your scripts are located. Once you've located your directory, it's time to use the search feature to find your batch processing files. These files might be in formats like .bat for batch files or .sh for shell scripts, or even custom formats that you might be using. In the upper right corner of the File Manager, you'll see a search bar, which makes it easy to locate files if your list is long. Simply enter the file type or name you're looking for, and let the search functionality highlight the files you're interested in. With your files located, you now have the option to open them in the code editor for review or modification. To do this, right-click on the file you wish to modify. In the context menu, select Edit or Code Edit. The editor will open in a new tab, giving you a rich interface to make your changes. Pay attention to the syntax and make sure you're sure of any modifications you implement. Always remember, any changes made will be effective immediately if saved, so double-check your edits to prevent any disruptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be successfully managing your scripts through your HostGator cPanel. Thank you for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful tutorials like this.